Alrighty, Tim, here's your small block Ford. Keep your description of this combination. Obviously, it's all aluminum, Shelby block, instead of our CNC cylinder heads on it. And our custom CNC valve covers, the spring oilers, custom Moroso front sump pan. Got a custom solid roller. Got the Edelbrock manifold all port match, quick fuel carburetor, MSP Pro billet. Really nice little piece. Go in there and make a run, see if it does. Stay tuned. Okie doke, 5100. It is 407 foot-pounds of torque. Peak torque 461. Peak horsepower 630, real flat up in there. It's got our 8000 RPM package in it, so really nice little motor. Do now pull the pipe back, make sure it's been clean. Show you a couple things. The receiver in, find this thing looks like a credit card. It is a USB card. It is full of technical stuff. And the crate will be this in the spec sheet. It will have a lot of data on it. Highly recommend reading it. Have a great day.